Oh, commercial. 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 Yung Macdo. Ilabas mo.
Yun pala, commercial.
Laura, Ona, Meriwether, where's everybody? Surprise! Happy birthday! You darling. The happiest day of my life. Everything's so sweet. Here, you Rose, you have some stranger. Not a stranger. Let you have. Oh no! This is terrible! Why? After all, I isn't that? But aren't I betrothed? Yes, since the day you were born. Which Philip, dear? But that's impossible. How would I marry a prince? I have to be a princess. And you are, dear. But again, he's coming here tonight. I promised to meet him. Sorry, Chandra. You must never see the plan. No, I can't believe it. No! And we thought she'd be so happy.
Nakikita yung kamay. Kamatay ko.
Excellent plan. Come on, wake up. What's up? Go as good as you. Sorry, Hubert, but after 16 years of worry, never knowing. The past. All in the past.
Penge. Ano yan? Gulaman.
To the future, I've been telling for 15 years. Here, to the future. Right, Hubert. To the future. Come. Our children will marry our kingdom tonight. Strong, strong, strong. Excellent. And now, to the new home, our children needs a lesson on their own. Well, I suppose you can. Of course, to the home. Stop. Stop. The plan. Well, what do you think? Nothing that way. 40 bedrooms, dining hall, honeymoon cottage. Tomorrow, but they're not even married yet. Take care of them tonight, to the wedding. Now hold on, Hubert. I haven't even seen my daughter yet, and you're taking her away from me. Yes, but... Of course, but there's nothing to lose. Getting on in here, to the wedding. Now be reasonable, Hubert. After all, Aurora knows nothing about this. Well, it may came as quite a shock. Shock? My Philip, a shock? What's wrong with my period? Nothing, Hubert. I only made it. Why? Nothing to know like your son? Now, I'm not so sure my son are like your son. Now, see here. I'm not so sure my grandchildren want you for a grandfather. Why? You unreasonable, pompous, blustering, old windbag? Unreasonable, pompous, old guard, sir. I warn you, Hubert. This means war. Nothing, Hubert. Absolutely nothing. The children are going to fall in love with each other. Precisely, and that's for five children. I have the royal wood carvers. Splendid! King size, of course. Certainly, to the wood carvers guild.
Da, ang galing mo, Da.
Philip, Paul, Philip, who have met her father. You have? Of course. Where? Once upon a time. Stop, Philip, stop! Calm it down! Oh, what is all to nothing? It's not a real father, only his meter. Good heavens, you must tell the man.
I didn't say it was Aurora.
Nothing was said that you did, you said.
I said I met the girl I was going to marry. I know she was. A peasant girl, I suppose.
Peasant girl? You're going to marry her? No, Philip, you're joking.
I'm not joking, father. It's the 14th century nowadays.
Nowadays, I'm still at ease, and they command you to come to your senses.
And marry the girl I love.
Exactly.
Goodbye, father.
Goodbye, father. Maria. No, Philip, stop!
Ops. Hoy, McDonald's.
Commercial, commercial.
Alright. Blackboard, very well. And now, your child will be a symbol of dialogue, a crown bird, and racing as a star right, and royal jumper. So, boses,
Nagpapahirap siya.
is that the punishment? Whatever are we going to do? We should... Maybe we should tell King Stefan about the boy. Listen! Magnificent! Rose! Rose! Where are you, Rose? Rose! 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 Don't touch anything!
Touch the spindle, touch, I say.
Rose!
You were simple. Continue to defeat me? Me, who is the rest of all evil? Well, here's your precious grace.
Rose! Oh, Rose! I never forgive myself. We're all to blame.
Yan ang budang, hirap mag-cameraman, ha? Yan.
Ivan, there's something important I have to tell you. Not now, you mean. But it's about Philip.
Philip? Oh yeah, of course. Philip. Why? Where's the boy?
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Well, send for him immediately.
But... Well, just been talking to Katie. Seems she's falling in love with somebody.
Peasant girl? Yes. Yes? The peasant girl? Who is she? Where did you meet her?
Just a peasant turning here.
Where? Where?
It's a peasant turning.
Rose, let's feel it. Come, we've got to get back to the cottage.
Okay.